Hi everybody, it's Kate from KatyDid. Welcome to Nab, Slab, and Cab. We'll look at the finds, we'll look at some slabs, and some of them we'll look at finished.
So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. That is a monster jasper agate. Oh, that is so pretty, Jim. That is going to be just killer slabs.
I finally picked one up.
I have to admit, even if I didn't find this rock, it is probably the most beautiful one I have ever slabbed. Every single piece just gets more and more and more beautiful. I just can't say enough about how much I love this jasper agate.
You know, when I'm out and we're hiking a ways in, I try not to pick up a lot of petrified wood. Ha ha ha, yes, I know. It's a big old lie. But this one is just so beautiful. I couldn't even begin to leave it behind. Wow, look at that. That is super neat.
Sometimes things that are beautiful on the outside are not so pretty on the inside. This is especially true of petrified wood. Sometimes it's just black. But I read that you could actually use bleach to bring out the colors, or at least the variations, and I gave it a try.
Well, Theo helped me figure out that no, this isn't stromatolite, this is actually chert. And that's cool because it means it'll polish better. What's this? Oh, wow. That's crazy. I guess it's a jasper agate, but it's just like this web of stuff. Very cool. How pretty this is. Wow. You know, the Yellowstone has such magnificent stones. It doesn't matter if it's an agate or a petrified wood or a piece of jasper. There are just so many colors and so many textures. I just can't get enough. I haven't picked up any jasper this trip for the same reason I didn't pick up very much petrified wood. I hiked probably 2 miles out, and now it's 2 miles back, and I don't really want to carry heavy stuff. But this is a very, very cool piece of jasper. I would go so far as to say it's jasperlicious, so I'm going to take it home. Wow, that's just a beautiful piece of, I guess, jasper?
Oh, wow. That is so
The
pretty.
colors in that is so beautiful. Are so beautiful. The colors are so beautiful. Learn to be an English teacher.
There's colors. There it is. Oh, that's a nice one. It's like,
Whoa, that's interesting.
wow, that's a really unique agate.
Oh, that's a nice thing to find on my way out.
Heck yeah.
I don't know for sure, but I think this might be an agate. Oh, yes it is! It's a chunky agate! Oh, that is so cool. Out of my sun, boy. Hang on. Oh, look at that.
Point of confusion, I am your son.
Oh no, out of my sun, son.
Exorcist.
This is so cool. You know, I was just saying, like, literally, the last thing I said is, it's not really my day for agates, but it sure is a nice day. And then lying at my feet was this big chunk. It's got to be at least 2 pounds. And it has all kinds of stuff inside. Yay!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing.
You just have no idea.
I don't. No idea.
Ideas you have none.
I have none ideas. Absolutely zero. Like, I don't even know where I'm going.